Hello, hello, beautiful people. It's really, really lovely to be here with you. Well, I've had another morning of technical snafuddles, so I am coming to you from my iPhone rather than from my desktop. So this is still a slightly newer technology, but I'm really glad to have options. So here we are. Many blessings to you. Today on Movement Medicine Morsels, we're going to do a little bit of warming up for the body because that allows energy to flow freely. And we're going to focus on a kidney energy clearing motif. In Chinese medicine, traditional Chinese medicine, the psychology of traditional Chinese medicine is that the organs can hold emotions, and they hold the emotions until such time that we feel safe enough that we can release them. So our body is actually protecting us in this way, holding on to things, keeping us in a sense of stability. But then when we have instruction, when we have more time, when we have a sense of safety, we can release these energies. And whenever we release pent-up energies, we are able to free more of the life-giving flow, the chi or the prana in our bodies. So having said that, let's get into some practice. I invite you to come to standing, or if you're sitting, please straighten up to your beautiful height. I'm going to stand because of the way my camera is set up, but here we are. So I invite you to come to standing or to sit tall. First, we want to feel our feet. So just really moving the feet from side to side, enjoying the feeling of your feet. You can do this when you're on the chair. We want to feel our toes as though you're on the beach or some wet sand or on some lovely fresh grass outside. Maybe you are practicing in your backyard, which would be amazing, or in the woods, even more amazing. So planting the feet, planting the sit bones if you're on the chair, and dropping the sit bones like an anchor. And let's inhale and sweep the hands up overhead and reach. Let your heart rise up. Let your throat rise up. Breathe in the sky. Breathe out any tensions. Breathe in. Embrace the sky. And exhale. Interlace the fingers above. Inhale. Press the palms up. Take a big breath in. And a little bit of opening the side seams of the body. Exhale over. Inhale up. Exhale just enough to stretch that side body. Inhale up. Exhale, stretch the side body. Inhale up. And one more time, stretch the side body. Inhale up. Stay tall. Just soften the elbows and the shoulders and paint 3 or 4 lovely halos or orbits. Hello, beautiful friends. Hello. Thank you for tuning in. And let's circle in the opposite direction a few times. Just nice and easy. One more inhalation, expanding upwards. Exhale, releasing and painting a big circle of light around yourselves. Can't see my fingertips, but really want to feel through the fingertips. So now we're going to warm up a little bit more. I'm just going to adjust the camera a tiny bit. Thank you for your patience in these high curve learning in tech. So we're going to shake now. Shaking through the fingertips. We want to bring awareness into the palms, the wrists, the fingertips. You can allow a little bit of bounce in your knees if you want. If you're in a chair, just make it up. Move whatever feels like moving. And we're going to circle the wrists a little bit. Let the fingers be really loose and start to bring those hands up. If you like, you can lift and drop your heels. Feeling there's a little balloon of energy underneath your heels. And letting the arms come down, come down, come down, come down. And letting this energy gently, gently, gently settle. Okay, excellent. One more adjustment down. Oh, that's as far down as it's going to go. Cześć, Hubert. Cześć od Kanadzie. And knees gaze nice and relaxed, nice and tall through the crown of the head. And now some easy swinging. Just let the hands fall where they may. If you like, you can cup the hands and give your body a little loving thump wherever the hands hit you. So right now we're focusing on the kidney area, So you can have one hand love thumping the front of your body and the other hand with the kidneys. And let your head and neck sail around, sail around. Ah, nice and refreshing. And allow this to come to its own natural finish. We're going to do a little bit of smoothing out all of the meridians in the body. So those are the rivers of energy through which life force vitality flows, and we acknowledge the support of the earth below us and the inspiration of the sky, the stars, the moon, the clouds, all the celestial bodies. Let's begin with our hands folded over our low belly and take a moment to stand tall, breathe right into the belly, gently filling it expand. Exhale, gently release. And now a little massage. So inhale up your right side. I'm not your mirror image for this one. And exhale down your left side. Very gently. Start small and let it spiral out little by little. Soothing for the belly. Good for digestion. And very loving, very kind in the way that we approach our bodies. Letting the spiraling get a little bit smaller, a little bit smaller, a little bit smaller. Just pause and breathe. Lower your left hand down to the belly, a little bit lower, and inhale your right hand up to the chest. So I'm your mirror again now. Very lovingly massage over your heart and thymus. And then draw the hand over to the left, over your lungs, soothing and smoothing the lungs. Float the left hand out and turn the palm up. Take an inhalation, drawing your right hand over the shoulder, and exhale, clear the energy off the arm, off the fingertips away. Turn the back of the hand up and inhale, bring fresh healing energy into the body and bring both hands over the heart center. Take a moment to feel gratitude and loving kindness here. And gently slide now the left hand down. Oops, slide the right hand down. There you go. And now the upper left hand is going to lovingly massage and soothe the thymus, giving support for your immune system, and then coming out over the right lungs, melting any sadness or grieving, and opening up the flow of energy. When things get stuck, that's when we get problems. So when we melt them, release them, it's a good thing. Floating out the right hand with the palm up, inhale the left hand over the shoulder and exhale, clear the energy, brush it off, let it go. Lift the bottom hand up and inhale, bring fresh energy in. And come back to the heart center and breathe. Take an inhalation here, exhale and slide the energy down the sides of the body to the kidney area and begin some circling here. You want to warm the kidneys. Very important to warm the kidneys. The emotion that can get caught up in the kidneys and create stagnation is fear. These are trying times. It's normal that we're feeling fear, and isn't it wonderful that we have some energy practices that can help us bring ourselves back to equilibrium. So now resting the hands over the kidneys, feeling that warmth. Inhale the warmth, and exhale, just rest here. We're going to clear the energy down the backs of the legs now. So take an inhalation here again, and exhale, clear everything coming down the backs of the legs, and let yourself hang. Give the old energy to the earth. She'll recycle it for us. And on the next inhalation, start bringing earth energy up and circling it around your ankles, coming up the insides of your legs, circling around your knees, coming up the insides of the thighs, and just a little bit more. We're going to come around the belt meridian. One hand wraps in front, one hand wraps behind. Let's rest for a moment, just resting the hands folded over the low belly. Connect to sky, connect also to earth, soft smile, and your gentle breathing. And now for the kidneys. We're going to take our hands and wrap our hands around our right kidney. So we've got one hand on the kidney, the other hand in front, and the element that is associated with the kidneys is water. So you can imagine frozen water, ice. That is very constricted, that's very tight, it's solid. So we want to imagine lovely warm water that's going to nourish, clear, and purify the kidneys, and the warm water will dissolve the fear. So what we're going to do first is start to give the kidneys a little loving massage. And breathe and smile, warming the kidneys and sending some loving attention. We don't often think about our organs, so even giving some good energy to the organs is a blessing. Now, pause the hands and take an inhalation, and as we exhale, we let the hands bring the water that dissolves the fear down to the earth. We start inhaling, bringing warm, cleansing water up to the other kidney, and we make a little kidney sandwich. We breathe, we smile into the kidney, and we begin to give it a loving little massage. So we're melting, we're softening. Maybe we're saying hello for the first time. Maybe we don't think about our kidneys, and this is already a big piece to spend a little bit of time and lavish some affection on our internal organs. Let the hands rest. Take an inhalation. I'll turn a little bit sideways. And exhale, let it out. Let the water rinse the kidneys. Inhale, bringing warm earth, nurturing energy and warm water up to the other kidney and massaging, smiling. Wait for an inhalation, fill the kidney with warmth. Exhale, clear it, gently rinse it. Inhale and start to bring fresh healing energy, the support of the earth and the warmth of the water. So we continue to loosen, to refresh, to cleanse, to transform. One more inhalation, exhale, let it out. Inhale, bring in fresh, new energy. We'll do one more each side. Feel the resources of the earth below you, the resources of the sky above you. They're meeting in your breath and in your mind and in your hands. Take an inhalation, exhale, releasing even old fear. Inhale, knowing that we have the support and nourishment of water and earth and sky above. Massaging, soothing, warming the kidneys. Inhale, exhale, and inhale, bring a ball of energy in front of the low belly. Take a moment to feel. Actually, let's wrap the hands around to the kidneys and take a moment to feel here. Feet are planted to the earth, crown is rising to the sky. Feel the breath in the hands. Feel the breath in your kidneys in the lower back. Feel a new, kinder, compassionate relationship with your kidneys and any energies or emotions or memories that might have been stored there. You may have cleared a lot of them. You may have cleared the tip of the iceberg. Whatever it is, we're heading in a healing direction. And now exhale, slide the hands around, wrap them in front. Inhale, come up the sides of the body, up the back of the neck, press up at the base of the skull. Take another inhalation here, and exhale, release the energy up to the sky. Breathe in the sun, the sky, and then gather the energy of the earth and the sky between your palms, and exhale, bring that beautiful energy down to rest in front of your heart center. Take a moment to smile, to feel grateful for the beautiful life you have. Think about your blessings. For homework today, think of 3 blessings, 3 things that you're grateful for, even in this confusing time of coronavirus, 3 things that bring joy and value to your life. Maybe you'll have more than 3. You probably do, but just 3, just to remember the joy and to send joy through your body. And now on the next exhalation, bring the fingertips down and bring loving energy to our Mother Earth. And then finish by folding the hands over the low belly. Connect to sky above, connect to earth below, to your beautiful human dignity, your highest posture and best self, and continue to breathe, breathing in the gifts of the earth and the sky and the blessings in your life, and breathing that love out to help others as well. And I thank you so much. Thank you so much. Dziękuję bardzo. Thank you for coming. Gracias, mil gracias for anybody from other countries. And I invite you to visit again Friday. Tomorrow there's also another movement meditation morsel. And have a beautiful day, and smile, breathe, and stay connected to sky and earth. Blessings, blessings.